Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. It's the battle of the cameras. On the left, we have the Camcorey digital camera, and on the right, we have the AiTechny digital camera for kids. Let's dive right in and see which camera comes out on top. When it comes to image quality, both cameras have some impressive features. The Camcorey digital camera captures high-clarity FHD, 1080p videos and 44 megapixels photos with its newest CMOS metering system, delivering natural color images automatically. Meanwhile, the AiTechny digital camera boasts a high-resolution CMOS sensor and an IPS color screen, allowing you to capture stunning 44 megapixels photos and record smooth 1080p videos. Speaking of ease of use, both cameras are designed with simplicity in mind. The Camcorey digital camera is very easy to use thanks to its ergonomic design, easy-to-access buttons and simple functions menu. It even has a large LCD display, making it perfect for kids as young as 5 years old. On the other hand, the AiTechny digital camera is also geared towards kids, teens, and beginners. It requires no intricate setup and has a user-friendly interface. Plus, it comes with fun features like a 16x digital zoom and 20 unique filters to get creative with. When it comes to battery life, both cameras have impressive performance. The Camcorey digital camera comes with 2 large-capacity batteries that can last for up to 1 month with regular use. It also has an automatic turn-off setting, saving even more energy during vacations and camping trips. The AiTechny digital camera, on the other hand, has a rechargeable battery that can be conveniently charged using the included USB-C cable. It ensures you can shoot all day without worrying about running out of power. Now, let's talk about the additional features that make these cameras stand out. The Camcorey digital camera encourages creativity with its customizable pictures, 16x zoom for capturing objects in the distance and 20 creative filter effects. It even has features like anti-shake, face and smile detection, and continuous shooting. On the other hand, the AiTechny digital camera also offers a 16x digital zoom, 20 unique filters, and fun features like anti-shake and a built-in microphone for recording crisp FHD 1080p videos. It even doubles as a webcam. Both cameras have their strengths, but ultimately it depends on your specific needs and preferences. Remember to consider your budget, the intended user, and the features that matter most to you when making your decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time with more product comparisons to help you make smarter purchases. Happy shooting!